how to add or remove the background sounds to the accessibility shortcut. Triple click the side button on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings, and in Settings, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Then in here, swipe up to go down and tap on Accessibility shortcut. Next, go down and tap on Background Sounds. So tap on that to toggle on or toggle off the checkbox. If it is selected, then when you triple click on the side, it will show background sounds in the Accessibility Shortcuts menu. And from here, you can choose to turn it on, or you can switch it off. And just like that. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.